say my favorite breakfast is corned beef hash. I love corned beef hash.
Usually on the weekends, I make potatoes, eggs, bacon or sausage with waffles for my wife and kids, and we have it every weekend.
I don't have a favorite breakfast. I don't eat breakfast.
Probably just like a platter of pancakes.
Pancakes.
Pancakes and sausage.
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 Eggs.
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 The dippy eggs, the home fries.
Hash browns.
Bacon.
And bacon.
Bacon, eggs, potatoes, and either pancakes or waffles, depending how I'm feeling.
I'd say waffles.
I'm not really much of a breakfast guy, but I do like French toast.
The Freedom Square Diner, and we go, I don't know, once a month or so, and I get their French toast is really good.
Probably donuts.
Skillet hash, which is just like potatoes and veggies and cheese in a bowl and eggs. Super good.
Probably Sam, because he's always walking around singing, and he does have a lovely voice, by the way.
Sam. He sings all the time. Wrong words all the time, but Sam.
Sam.
Ryan. Definitely. And I don't know if it's so much anymore, but man, when I first hired Ryan, he if a song came on the radio that he liked, he would basically scream it out so everybody could hear it.
I feel like me and Jordan are always down the street singing to each other. Not in a weird way or nothing, but songs playing on the radio and we just start singing. We're like, oh yeah, that was it. And it was nowhere near how it should sound.
If it's Tiny Dancer by Elton John, most likely Matt or Hannah. I will bust out into song, but most people don't know the songs that I'm singing, so.
I think it's Sam and Diane, and I think it's a tie. They both like singing horribly a lot.
Diane. Diane for sure.
Hannah.
Probably me.
Diane.
Hannah.
Hannah.
I can't say I've ever met a candy I don't like. Probably if best candy would be anything dark chocolate.
Twix if I'm feeling chocolate, or like a licorice if I'm feeling like a fruit candy, like a cherry licorice.
Gummies, all gummies.
Anything gummy, gummy worms, gummy bears.
Sour Patch Kids watermelons.
Swedish Fish, Sour Patch.
I would say Three Musketeers. I'm not really much of a candy bar. I mean, I snack all the time, but like candy bars and stuff, I don't normally get. But Three Musketeers are.
Reese's.
The Clark bar, which I guess is kind of hard to find these days.
I like anything cinnamon flavored.
Milky Way.
Snickers.
Mellow Cups.
Reese's.
Favorite candy? Lindor truffles.
Oh gosh, what do I like to do? I do them all, so I don't really say.
I don't like any of them. I try to avoid all of them.
None of them and all of them.
Does anybody really like doing chores? I mean,
I'll do all the chores, honestly. I just hate having a messy house, you know? Like to come home and have a clean house and be able to take my boots off and walk around in my socks.
I like doing everything besides folding laundry.
I do enjoy doing laundry, folding the laundry, putting the laundry away. I'm fine with that. My compromise with my partner is she gets to do the dishes.
I actually like washing the clothes and emptying the dishwasher, but I don't like vacuuming.
I like doing laundry and dishes, and the only thing I don't like is I like putting it in the washer dryer, folding the laundry. I just cannot. I hate putting it away. I don't know why.
I like doing the dishes, and I try to avoid sweeping.
I really like to clean, and I don't cook so well, so I avoid the cooking and stick with the cleaning.
I don't mind mowing the lawn or doing the physical house chores. I dislike dusting.
I would do anything to not cut grass, so cutting grass is the worst thing in the world. And chores that I like to do is cook. I love to cook. I'll cook and clean up after myself, but no grass cutting.
I love cooking, And I don't like doing laundry, which is great because my wife loves doing laundry and can't cook anything.
I would be a gardener.
Probably HVAC.
I'd probably go into construction or woodworking or something.
Maybe be like a music booker or something, like book shows.
If I would be a chef, I'd probably own a restaurant and a bar.
Construction worker or an electrician.
I probably wouldn't be working at all. I'd probably just be retired and staying at home.
Something labor related for sure. I don't know that I'd be able to sit at an office desk all day, every day. Well, it'd be nice, but I think I'd kind of go insane.
Probably be in the restaurant business somewhere. I like making food, probably pizza.
I was studying to do economics, and I probably would have fallen into that, but it was really boring, and that's why I'm not there anymore, so I'm glad I got out of it, but it was probably some job in finance or economics.
I would like to do something, anything that's giving back or helping people.
Probably something a little bit less physical and on your feet a little bit less. Actually, I'm lying. Probably a contractor.